welcome back to The Mix, lovelies and friends. And we have here on The Mix, Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about the situation that happened with Andre, with him losing his page. And he's saying that even though they wouldn't have, maybe tea together, and even though they had issues in the past, he still believes that, you know, Andre would have been better off if he had allowed his family members or, people that are closer to him to have access to the page. But someone else did, someone else that is out of his family, someone that has now taken over his page. So he's saying that, he's really feeling bad for Andre, and he wish Andre the best, and he knows that he has a lot of followers on his Facebook page, and he's hoping those people would go ahead and follow him, if he goes ahead and build a new page. So go ahead and watch the video for that and more, because Dwayne is talking about more things as well. Go and check it out for yourselves and have yourselves a wonderful evening now.
So why is important to know? The woman in America has full control over the page. The Janet woman, I think she named Janet, that Janet fucking bitch. Your fucking teeth. You're a fucking tarpant. You, Janet, is a fucking tarpant. Or whoever told you is a fucking tarpant too. All of you are thieves. You're like Alibaba and the 40 thieves. That is Uno. God don't like ugly. Well, listen, Andre. Me and you, we will never drink tea, never, because you tell lie pa me already, you tell lie pa me pa your page, so I said, go and cuss some people for cuss with the lights up, but whatever. I don't care. Come no, I did not. But let's be real. Look at how your page is going well on Facebook. You still have a lot of people, a lot of them supporting you, a lot of them. So if they don't want to give like a page, let them fuck off of the page, because that page won't go nowhere. Once the people realize it's not you behind the page, them now gonna support it. Do your thing. I don't know, the woman we're calling Pancala show, whatever she name, that woman, that damn woman, what is that name? Mama, whatever she name, Mama she, that one there, that one. What's she name? Mama, whatever the fuck she name. Fucking thief. He's a bitch. And got the box down. I thought you guys was looking out for him, but all of you was looking out for yourselves in your damn pockets, because you realize that the page make a bag of money and on had to concoct a way for teeth and page so only can reap the benefits. Fuck off, reap the benefits of the page. Grandma, that fucking skank. He's a skank ass bitch. It burned me. And it's not me. Wickedness can done. I know, because that woman had control of the page, she saw the revenue that page was bringing in. And that make Uno had to concoct a story and start rift. So no could have take the page for that one. I don't care. That's what happened. That's what keep on telling you guys. Money is the root of all evil. Money, the love of money is the root to evil. All evil. I told you guys the other day, tell Andre he don't need no one on his page. He can monetize his page himself. Monetize that page himself. Even down at Jamaica, they're gonna pay him in US. It just happened. It's gonna convert into Jamaican dollars in an account. Some people choose to be in America. Some people choose to be in America. Well, some people choose to have an account in America, so the money gets paid into the American account in American dollars, while obviously in other countries, the money gets converted to their currency. Andre, you was too quick. Maybe because you didn't know a lot about social media then. Because to me, you was when you started Facebook, you was on a normal Facebook account, doing your lives, whatever, and then these people entered your life, and then you all of a sudden you had a business page, and then you had a YouTube. Clearly, you didn't take the time to understand how social media operates, and you didn't take the time to study social media for yourself. You were just thrown out there, and the wolves came at you. These fuckers are wolves in sheep's clothing, Andre. Open your fucking eyes. Stop allowing people to get close to you. Stand alone. Let your actions be your own actions, not what anyone tells you to do. This was their plan from the inception. They wanted to build a page. In my eyes, I don't care. They wanted to build that page to a level. And maybe, just maybe, they didn't know the page would have been as successful as it got, as how it became. They probably didn't know he would have got that amount of clout. The clout turned them mad, and when they saw the damn money, them said blood clot. So media, I could be making all this money and this to not be rude, Matter House Production is making all this money. No, I want it myself. They had ulterior motives, Janet. They had ulterior motives. And that's the fucked up part. Imagine this man sat on his ass every morning, every night. He does a 60 minute whatever on his page in the morning, and in the night he does his 3-hour, 2-hour plus lives, only for you guys to come and steal the page. That is fucked up. And I know you, Janet lady, you, the grandma, whatever your name is, put yourself in his shoes. How would you feel if someone did that to one of your own family members, steal their page from them, the only source of income they know that they have? How would you feel? You feel away, right? So I do it to him. He don't. Yes, even if he does, have people, have your own family. Put one on a family. His cousins, someone in his immediate family, where if any shit goes happen, he knows where to go and find them. Why did he add strangers on his thing? I feel bad for you, Andre. I feel really, really, really bad. But I'll tell you, just if they choose not to give back your channel, just build a new one. Within no time, you would get 20 plus K thousand, 20K plus thousand, 20K easily within no time. You know why? Because the people, they've gravitated to you, especially you have this slang, this slogan, Jamaica. The people love when you say that shit. They love it. That's what draw them to you. You're very inclusive. Whether them that are foreign or not, Jamaica. Build back a chat. If they choose not to give back your page, build another one. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised how quick that page is going to grow. And if any of you follows that, see the page, yeah? We forgot for sure, no? So them change it to, yeah? Them change to that. And delete all of his videos. Even they didn't delete the community post until like yesterday or day before yesterday, because when I looked, there was still community posts on the channel, and they deleted everything. These people are pussy hoes. They don't even know these hours that you have right there, those 17 plus million. Those 70 plus million is all gonna go away. Yes, the channel will still remain monetized, but the 17 plus million is gonna disappear. You know why? Because if you deleted those videos or even made them private, you're gonna lose the views on the page. So technically, this page is a brand new page. No one knows this page. No one knows this page. You're gonna be lucky if you get 2,000 views from people who don't know what they're supporting. Pathetic people. And you wanna see that description. You people are pussies. Outright pussies. And I don't care. I want to be upset. I don't care. Right is right and wrong is wrong. And if that ex-batsman from England's a part of this, you's also a big pussy too. But our fella flock together. But Andre, don't worry yourself. Yes, you look a bit cuckoo. Yes, you're a little bit cuckoo. Yes, absolutely. But people love that about you. Them love your eccentricity. They love it. It's like I'm eccentric, them love yours too. Everyone have to have a look at something or on our one right in them. And that's fine. I hope you've learned a lesson though. Don't be so easy to trust people in social media. People you don't know from a can of paint. And that's where you went wrong. You'll be fine. You will be fine. Build another channel. If they don't want to give it back to you, you're going to be fine. Anyways, guys, this live has spent its course. God bless all of you. Thank you so much to every single one of you who stayed. Thank you to all of you who stayed with me. I appreciate you guys. I do. Without you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. Because it's fun. I love it. And I'm sure you guys love it too. But whatever. Thank you. Sophia, thank you. I try. Thank you. Thank you. It's wicked. What they've done to me is very evil. Very evil. And I pray to God that channel, it will never get off the ground. That channel is going to die down to nothing. To non-existent. Obsolete. Because it was wicked to him. So in my eyes, you guys used him to build the channel. Then to steal it from him. That's fucked up. But Andrew, like I said, don't worry yourself. You'll be fine. You're going to be fine. With God in the midst, all things are possible. Like this page I have right now. Never in my life did I think that I could never fathom getting 80,000 on my damn page. I couldn't think of the first one. I'm like, how am I get the first 1,000? And I got that. I was going to get 2,000 and I got it. Then it went to jump to 30,000. I didn't think it was going to get there. I didn't know, but it got there. It got there. Andrew, you're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. I promise you. If they choose to steal your page, build another page. And I'm sure everyone, including yourself, will help to promote that page and get you back to a level where you're going to be comfortable. As much as you don't like me, because of what you said about me, said people gonna cuss you, it's fine. I know I didn't, but even me, I will help you promote that shit too. I will help you promote it. Do unto others as you'd like others do unto you. Exactly, and Pat, PSD, exactly. Anyways, guys, God bless all of you. Have a great day. I'm going to come back later. Later will be greater. Be blessed. Stay well. And if you're on your way out, may God protect you on your way out. And if you're on your way in, may He also protect you on your way in. With that being said, God bless you. Have a great day. I love you guys. Take care.